Hey fan collectors, back with another video here. What we got here today is this 30-inch Litex Vortex hugger that came with its box. So I'm thinking that maybe somebody installed this somewhere and they just didn't like it anymore shortly after. But it came with its box, which is kind of cool. Has its own bulb in there, but I put a different one in. Anyway, here's the actual fan. Cute little petite design. Always had a soft spot for these cheap little huggers. I mean, these are kind of decent, honestly. Got a nice bleached oak side. Doesn't look like crap either, really. Looks nice. This is from May of 2018. I think that's what I remembered on the top of the motor. Yeah, it's got a nice little thick motor in there. I think it's a little powerful too. But anyway, I will now demonstrate the fan. Light. And here's the fan. Performs as a little 30-inch fan would. It goes quick on low speed, and it does move quite a bit of air for the size of it. Of course, the blades are a little more steeply pitched than your usual fan. It's a good performer. I don't rate these things as being bad or anything. Obviously, they're great to put in like a laundry room or a closet or something like that. Here's medium. Honestly getting a little breeze down on my legs right now from this, but yeah, again, I think it's a decent little fan. I don't think they're bad, but yeah, I'm feeling a little bit of a breeze from it. And high speed. Very quick little fan, of course. Usually all 30-inch fans are pretty quick. And it's quiet too. I'm not really hearing much noise from it either. Let's see, I got this thing from Habitat, just a quick memory on it. I don't think I paid much for it. I think I paid like 15 bucks for it, I think, or something like that. Not terrible price, but yeah. Get a close-up of it now. thing runs good. Alright, now I will show the light, and now we will do spin down. Light. And spin down. I imagine it's going to be pretty quick for the size of it. Alright, so the fan has come to a complete stop. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.